welcome back. And now currently working with old image, old photo, how to repair this old photo by Photoshop 2025. So let's start. First, start from the big lines, white lines. Select spot healing brush tool, the most powerful brush tool for removing these lines, spots, anything in image, just in one click, and carefully remove these lines. Hold Alt key and zoom in. Control these areas, and this place is very important. Don't use a spotting brush. So the most important point, create a new empty layer and select the pencil tool. Hold Alt key, select the dark, and let's create the eyebrows like this, and create from here to like this. So, and now select clone stamp and zoom in. Select your layer. Hold Alt key, click here. Move your image and hold Alt key. Use, hold Alt key, Control Z, now zoom out. Zoom in again and control again these important areas, and now select smudge, right click, change the size, make it a bit more smaller. Use this to mix these all colors. Okay. Now fix this part of image or photo. We'll select again, hold Alt key, fix these parts. And now select again the spot healing brush. Spot healing brush. Use carefully and carefully. So zoom out, turn off layer 2. So after this, wait a little, zoom in again. How to fix this ear? Select clone stem, change the size, and select the option. First, turn on the mirror and alt click the ear, change the size, click here, use like this. So you can copy the eyebrow too. Select the second option, turn on the mirror, hold Alt key, and here is, you can use like this. If you need to make copy, you can use like this, but I don't want to use this. So hold Alt keys, select the first option, hold Alt key again, and change the size. Click here, not too much, just control this part, and select spot healing brush. Zoom in, control carefully this area. Now zoom out. So control and fix the t-shirt. And control this area. And control this area. Okay, and later we'll control the face, zoom out again. And now Select image, delete layer 2, select image and make one copy. So select the layer 1, go back to filter, blur, surface blur. Apply surface blur like this and control the surface blur. Apply. Select layer 1, turn on and apply the mask and select the brush. Select the black color, right click. Use mask for the background. Change the brush size. And use our face. Okay. Hold Ctrl Alt Shift plus E to create another layer from all layers and select the spot healing brush. Control these places. Ctrl Z, zoom in. Select long stem. Hold Alt key, use like this. Use like this and hold Alt key. Control. So turn off the mirror, hold Alt key. And zoom out again. Now click, apply, use on shoulder, click, okay guys, now select again the layer and go back to filter, select the surface blur, not too much, Just use little bit and click OK. Go back to filter and select the smart sharpen. Use a smart sharpen. First control the noise. This option allow you to control the noise, control the amount, and control the radius. Click OK. So now create another adjustment effect. Brightness contrast, control the brightness, control the contrast, close, and control where is channel mixer. Control the channel mixer. Control the channel mixer. And now go back to image menu and make a duplicate. Okay. Go back to window, arrange to a vertical, close, zoom out, sit here and sit here, zoom out, go to file and revert. So there is before and this one is after. So guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to repair the old photos in Adobe Photoshop 2025. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck.